Hello guys, how are you? Hope you are doing good. I am not consistent due to my studies, but I will try to upload videos weekly. So let's start our video. We all know that travel can educate, but some places truly take you back in time to walk through the ancient ruins of Greece or Egypt. Not to admire the traces only, but to absorb the history. Here are 10 of the world's oldest cities that can traveler visit today. Lisbon, city of Portugal, 1200 BC. Lisbon is a port city and capital of Portugal and was named after the legacy of Ulysses, protagonist of the Odyssey. Until the 16th century, Lisbon was considered as the edge of the world. Much of its ancient architecture was destroyed by a major earthquake in the mid of 18th century, but the city's beauty remains same. Varanasi, India, 1700 BC. An ancient city in India's northern state of Uttar Pradesh, Varanasi, also called Banaras, is often described as the spiritual capital of the country. It has served as a home for people continuously dating back at least 1700 BC with signs of life as old as 11,000 BC. Sadly, much of the ancient architecture was destroyed, but the Golden Temple was reconstructed in the 1700s. Luxor, Egypt, 3200 BC. Luxor rests on Nile River in the far upper Egypt. The city houses the famous town of Thebes, also called the City of 100 Gates, and was the capital of Egypt in the 12th century. Luxor is also home to temples dating back to 2000 BC. There are huge statues made up of sandstone, the tomb of King Tut and the Avenue of Sphinx. Luoyang, China, 1900 BC. Luoyang is an historic city in central China, largely credited as the origin of Chinese civilization. Located in the northwestern Chinese province of Henan, Luoyang was once home to 9 ruling dynasties and served as the residence for imperial kings. Luoyang served as an important reference point for the country's Buddhist history. Famous sites are White Horse, Shaolin temples, as well as ancient Buddhist statues carved in the mountains of the Longmen Grottos. Jericho, Palestine, 8000 BC. Located near the Jordan River, the city's freshwater springs attracted the hunting tribes, and with warming temperatures around the year, agricultural settlements became a mainstay. All around Jericho remained remnants of the ancient civilization, including the Mount of Temptation, monastery, and the archaeological ruins of the Tellus Sultan. Some have found artifacts that may date back to 11,000 years. Plovdiv, Bulgaria, 4000 BC. The ancient city of Plovdiv was first settled at the foothills of 3 mountains that meet at the center. The city was an important epicenter for travel and commerce during the Roman Empire. It was also a leader in architecture, infrastructure, including walls, buildings, and early water and sewage system. Today, it remains one of the country's largest and the most important city. Mohenjo-daro, meaning the Mound of Dead. Mohenjo-daro is an archaeological city in the province of Sindh, built around 2500 BC. It was one of the largest settlements of the ancient Indus Valley civilization. Mohenjo-daro was abandoned in the 19th century as the Indus Valley civilization declined, and the site was not rediscovered until the 1920s. Çatalhöyük, Turkey, 7500 BC. One of the oldest inhabited cities in the world, Çatalhöyük, located in the southeastern area of the Anatolia, the Asian peninsula, remains a relic of early civilization. Take a day trip to see the remains of this prehistoric village and learn about what life was like in an era where there were no streets and people entered their homes via ladder. Shush, Iran, 4500 BC. Located in the Khuzestan province in the western part of Iran, Shush, also known as Susa, is UNESCO's World Heritage Site. The city, found at the base of the Zagros mountain range east of the Tigris River, was founded and inhabited by several empires including the Elamite, Persian and Parthian, and was even cited in the Bible. Argos, Greece, 5000 BC. Built between two hills in the northeastern region of Greece, Argos draws its name from Argus, son of Zeus and Niobe, and was also known as the birthplace of many soldiers who fought in the Trojan War. Argos also hosts to the Pan-Hellenic Games around 4000 BC, which later became the Olympics. So friends, this was today's video. Hope you like it, as it was different from all my videos. Comment down your thoughts. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.